Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, has long been known as the breadbasket of India. Its fertile soil has fed millions and powered the nation's agricultural growth. But today, this very soil faces a silent crisis: contamination. Once rich and thriving, Punjab's farmlands are now burdened by excessive use of chemical fertilizers. What was once a symbol of prosperity is now turning toxic. Beneath the surface, harmful chemicals, pesticides, and industrial waste are slowly poisoning the soil, threatening the foundation of sustainable agriculture in Punjab. This contamination not only reduces crop quality and yield, but also seeps into the water and food we consume. If left unchecked, it could endanger on this sacred land. The Green Revolution of the 1960s brought unmatched success. High-yield seeds, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides boosted production, turning Punjab into India's agricultural heartland. But this success came at a price. Decades of chemical overuse have stripped the soil of its natural balance. 2 more lines. What once nourished the nation now struggles to sustain itself. The land that once symbolized abundance is calling out for restoration and care. Soil contamination in Punjab has many faces.
We know the land is suffering, but without chemicals, our crops don't survive.
Excessive use of nitrogen and phosphate fertilizers leads to accumulation of salts and harmful compounds. Pesticide residues like DDT and endosulfan persist in the soil for years, and untreated industrial waste, dumped into nearby fields and rivers, seeps deep into the ground. Together, these practices degrade soil fertility and destroy beneficial microorganisms. Heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and cadmium further worsen the crisis, making the soil toxic and unfit for cultivation. These pollutants enter the food chain, posing serious health risks to both humans and animals. Groundwater contamination adds another layer of danger, affecting millions who rely on it for drinking and irrigation. The once lush fields now struggle to produce the same yields, forcing farmers into economic hardship. Punjab's soil, once its greatest strength, is now becoming its greatest challenge. Contaminated soil means weaker crops, reduced yields, and lower nutrition. Heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and arsenic enter the food chain, from soil to crops to human bodies. The result, long-term health effects that are now visible across Punjab. The Malwa region, once the pride of Punjab, is now often called the cancer belt. Studies show high rates of cancer, birth defects, and other chronic diseases linked to contaminated soil and water. When the soil is sick, the land, the people, and the future all suffer together. Farmers, once symbols of resilience, now face mounting medical bills and declining incomes. Generations that depended on the land are losing faith in its ability to sustain them. Villages once vibrant with harvest festivals now speak in whispers of illness and loss. The soil's cry for healing echoes in every barren field and polluted canal. It is a reminder that protecting the earth is not a choice. It is a necessity for survival. Reviving Punjab's soil will take awareness, collective effort, and sustainable farming practices. Only then can the land once known as India's breadbasket truly flourish again. Yet, hope remains. Across Punjab, new efforts are rising to heal the land. Farmers are turning to organic farming, crop rotation, and biofertilizers that restore natural fertility. Government programs encourage soil testing, reduced pesticide use, and wastewater management. Agricultural scientists and NGOs are spreading awareness about sustainable methods, because saving soil means saving life. With collective action and mindful practices, Punjab can reclaim its green legacy. The journey to restore the soil is also the journey to secure a healthier, brighter future for all. The soil beneath our feet is not just dirt, it's a living ecosystem that sustains every seed, every crop, and every life. Punjab's journey towards sustainable agriculture begins with restoring that balance. Together, we can protect this priceless resource for our farmers, for our children, and for the generations yet to come. Healthy soil, healthy Punjab. Our responsibility, our future. Let us nurture the land that has long nurtured us. Because when the soil thrives, Punjab and all its people thrive too.